Jimmy, go ahead and pull that starter out. There you go. So, our first issue, the Christmas starter we got, does not fit. Because it's the wrong one. It's for a later engine. Look at, you can see in the casting number, it's a D0. That's a 1970 production date. Or design date. Sorry. Anyway. Nope, we need a 3-bolt flange starter. It's a 2-bolt. Now everybody's like, oh, it should fit. Nope, way off. So they're bringing us the right one. This one goes back. Not a big deal. We can do that in the car. So, Burnsy's over there cleaning up some hardware. What's up, guys? We've got this sort of kind of ready to go. We got to get that mount out of there, boys.
What mount? Oh,
the trans mount. Yeah, so we can do that. And then we're going to start getting ready to put this motor in. Woohoo!